In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit small elements in your design without restarting everything in Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to your dashboard. Open the image or design you want to improve from your saved projects. Next, identify the small elements you want to change. This could be minor details like facial features, background objects, text placement, colors, or lighting adjustments. After that, use the built-in editing tools instead of regenerating the entire image. You can select specific areas to modify, adjust, or refine without affecting the rest of the design. If needed, use targeted prompt edits or localized adjustments, so Artistly AI only updates the part you want to fix while keeping the overall composition intact. You can also combine small manual edits with minor prompt tweaks to quickly improve the result without losing your original structure. Finally, review your updated design to make sure everything looks consistent and polished. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.